Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Empire Fintech Conference taking place in New York City, and we're finishing our coverage off strong here with co-founders Kelsey, Willock, and Courtney, Cardin of Aura Finance. We're going to discuss shaking up the traditional wealth management business. Great to have you both with us. Kelsey, I'm going to start with you. How are you bringing financial wellness to the traditional wealth management business?
I might let Courtney take this one.
Okay.
Thanks for having us, Jill. So we're bringing wellness to wealth management because essentially if you talk to any wealth advisor, they'll say to you, 95% of my job is therapy, 5% is strategy, and it's getting people to do that 5% that's the hard part. We think that we should be building for that 95% and that people really need help on that. So we're addressing the emotional side of money and helping people feel like they can be seen and heard while also being able to access best-in-class investing and get a portfolio that aligns with their personal values and gives them solid returns.
So Kelsey, why now?
77% of Americans are stressed about their financial situation, and for the first time in 5 years, financial health has actually gone down. Gen Zs and millennial are more stressed about money than ever, and money is actually the leading cause of stress and anxiety. So with a looming recession, rising debt, and individuals that need more help now than ever, we're ready to step in.
Courtney, what is financial mindfulness and why is it important?
So there's going to be a $68 trillion wealth transfer occurring over the next 2 decades, and 80% of the next generation is really looking for holistic wealth management. And that means mind, body, and spirit. Financial mindfulness, if you can accept the premise that regular mindfulness can help you address anxiety, then you can probably accept the premise that financial mindfulness can help you address financial anxiety. It's a missing part of everyone's holistic wellness approach, and it measures 2 things, your awareness and your acceptance. So by becoming more financially mindful, you're taking a step and saying, I actually understand my current financial situation. And the non-judgmental acceptance piece is about not necessarily just being totally okay with where you are, but understanding that that's where you are right now, but you have the power to change your situation over the longer term. So once we build that foundation of financial mindfulness, we can help you then get clear on your goals and build a portfolio that aligns with your values, aligns with your risk tolerance and your financial goals, and actually helps you feel better about investing over the long term.
And Kelsey, what differentiates your solutions? What is Aura doing differently?
Yeah, so we use direct indexing, a strategy typically only available to 6-figure account minimums, which allows our customers to align their investments with their values. So say you don't want to be invested in tobacco or oil and gas, you can filter it out. Or let's say you want to be more heavily weighted in climate activism, you can do so. Our customers deeply care about what they're invested in, and we know the best investment plan is the one you can stick with, and the one you can stick with is the one you believe in.
Throwing one more at you guys, what was the genesis behind Aura?
I mean, we each have our own independent stories. I was a DC lawyer who was married to a wealth advisor that was making plenty of money in a corporate law firm and completely ignored my finances. And then I got divorced and I had to figure out my own money story on my own at 30. And I figured, wow, people could use help figuring this out. Kelsey's got her own story. I graduated college with $150,000 of student debt and massive financial anxiety, and I didn't know if I could talk to anyone about it. I also didn't know how to get to a net worth of 0. And so I learned from the power of investing from some of the best and brightest, but quickly learned investing's not that hard. Getting around your emotions around money really is.
It's great. People can relate to you because those stories are real. We appreciate the insight, Kelsey and Courtney. Thanks for joining us throughout the day from the Empire Fintech Conference in New York City. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks, Jill.